And that's what a conversation, when people don't want to talk about race directly and whatnot, because these things will solve a whole bunch of problems, including the race problem. And you haven't even mentioned race. If we just make every move that we make constructive, get that understanding before we make any move, before we enroll in a school and whatnot, you know. What am I enrolling in a school for? What do they teach in this school? What's going to be the result when I come out of this school? I'm going to have a piece of paper in my hand. Can I take that piece of paper and get the results that are the most constructive results that anybody has ever gotten in the entire world? Otherwise, why am I going to this school? I mean, come on, give me some answers, sir. Give me some answers, Professor. Give me some answers, Dean. These are the answers that I want before I sign on the dotted line and make all that debt. I mean, I'm signing my life away here because I'm going to have a whole lot of debt. I want you to be able to tell me before I sign anything what the result, if I learn everything that you teach me, what is going to be the result of all that learning?